Hello guys, welcome to Bearing Vibe. I'm your host Surjo and I am here at JSP Motorrad in Hyderabad to check out the all new BMW G310R in its glory. As you can see, this bike really looks apart and it has got some really big changes, and also there is a surprise. So let's get to know about this bike. So as you can see, BMW has really worked on it and taken India seriously, and that can be seen in the visuals itself, as the bike is much more appealing in terms of visual, and it is much more muscular than previous version. So you can see here sport written with the BMW badging, bigger tank extensions, and very good color scheme. Especially I really like this particular color. This is a style color. So let's jump onto the instrument cluster. Let's see what's there new for us. I'll just switch it on, and you can see the instrument cluster hasn't been changed that much. It is still that LCD unit has the fuel gauge, range, the speedometer, the gear shifting indicator, and the telltale lights, and all the info. Here is the ignition switch. Here is your headlamp switches with the indicators and horn. The switchgear quality is being improved from before, and in here you can see the small BMW logo. The tank gets a new mesh that actually emphasizes, and also the sport written this side. The seat is the same, there is no change here. It is a very much comfortable seat. You can see here the BMW logo. So I'll just go in front and show you the headlight. So here is the all new LED headlight. It's a complete LED headlight with the BMW LED DRL that really looks good and premium. Also, a 310 written on the chin. As you can see, this tank extension is quite large, and it is a 3-part extension. So it is really looking very much muscular and bigger with those golden color 41mm beefier forks. It is also from the house of BMW. Now this tires, you are seeing there are no changes. It is the same tire, now colored in red color. You get a Michelin Pilot Street tire at front. It is a 110 section. Now this is a radial tire. Coming onto the engine, it is a 313 cc fuel injected single cylinder reverse inclined engine that makes 34 bhp of power and 28 Nm of peak torque. Now it also gets throttle by wire or ride by wire with it, and slip and assist clutch to make the performance much more good. The rear suspension, a stubby exhaust which is not changed yet, and the rear 240mm disc with dual channel ABS. It does get dual channel ABS, and the calipers are from Vibre. At rear you get Michelin Pilot Street, which is 150 section, and it is also radials. Now radials can give you pretty good grip. We can only speak about this in the review. So here is the rear tail lamp, and this specific indicator is an LED indicator which is borrowed from its elder siblings. Let's get down. You see a huge sari guard here, which is very much huge, and here is the red color frame. Okay, let's get into the levers. So here you can see a new addition. You can now adjust the levers according to, now there is a 4-point adjustability, so you can really adjust the levers here. And also you get a slip and assist clutch, which you can do some great downshifts. Here is the front brake. Here also you can adjust, and it also gets ride by wire. Okay, here is the 300mm disc with Vibre floating calipers to provide you good stopping power. Now the previous gen did have some good brakes. I'm still expecting great braking from this direction. Also, here is a 6-speed gearbox, and you can see the red frame. It really does make it much more premium looking. So what I'll do is I'll hop onto the bike and show you what is the height. So let's get onto the bike first. It's quite easy because the seat is quite low. I'm 5'11", so my height is 5'11", and I'm pretty much comfortable on this bike. And you can see that I'm kind of into the snug fit territory. So the seat height can be adjusted. It is at 785 mm and it can be adjusted to 800 mm, and you can lower it down to 770 mm, which is a good thing. And you can see that I'm very much comfortable and also can take the support of the tank. So that's the new BMW G3 10R for us, and it is priced at 2.45 lakhs ex showroom. Now this specific color you need to pay another 10,000 rupees extra. This is 2.55 lakhs, and on road it will be like 3 lakh 6,000 rupees on road in Hyderabad. Now it may vary in your state, and for other two variants you will get like 2 lakh 94,000. So I'll switch on the headlamp here. You can see the BMW LED DRL and the high beam and low beam. That's it for now, guys. The review will be coming soon, and hope you like our video. Please do subscribe and share.